Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Ps5 has the latest system update. This avoids known voice chat bugs. Next, plug in or pair your headset and make sure any USB or optical adapter is fully seated. Loose hardware causes most failures. Then open the control center, choose sound, and explicitly set both input and output devices and mic level. Once done, test mic monitoring. These actions eliminate device mismatch and basic routing errors before deeper fixes. Once device routing is correct, you tackle network and privacy, because voice chat depends on real-time UDP traffic and permissions. You should confirm your Ps5 NAT type is Type 2. Strict NAT or Type 3 often blocks party voice. Make sure account privacy allows voice chat and that party settings aren't restricted. If problems persist, log into your router and forward, or allow UDP ports 3478, 3479, and 3480, or enable UPnP. This restores peer connections and reduces packet loss that kills voice. To finish, restart both the Ps5 and your headset to reset active sessions and clear temporary glitches. You should then test voice using the PS app or a different controller/headset to determine whether the console, headset, or network caused the failure. If voice remains unstable after all steps, toggle UPnP on your router or assign the Ps5 to a DMZ as a last resort to remove NAT interference. Be aware this reduces firewall protection, so revert if unnecessary. This single troubleshooting tip often fixes persistent connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.